Hey guys, welcome to another SMC Dow tutorials, and this is the first of its kind, and we'll be having a Discord series. It is mostly like the Telegram series we've been having on our SMC tutorial channel, and all you just need to do is stay glued to your screen and watch how we tell you exactly how the Discord application works, the nitty-gritties of it, the in and out of it, and even how to get yourself a community management job or a moderating job from your Discord application. All you just need to do first is to download the Discord application from your App Store for iOS users and your Google Play Store for Android users. So I've downloaded my Discord application from my App Store. All I need to do is just create an account. That I'll click on register, and I would use my email SMC Dow 27@gmail.com, and I click on next. You have your display name SMC Dow and the username SMC Dow. Then you could set up your password for your account. You set the year for when you were born and how old you are. Then you click on create account. Automatically you create an account with this code. It leads you to this page where you see a join server and create your server. So basically I'll talk on Discord purpose and evolution, and you should know Discord is a free messaging platform that allows you to connect via texting and voice call, more like Telegram. And Discord has experienced a significant evolution and growth in popularity since its initial launch, which was in May 2015. Discord was designed as a communication platform primarily for gamers. That's how Discord started. And now from a chat for gamers to a chat for communities and friends, where you could connect on different communities, Web3 communities, music communities, gaming communities. You could see the different features of a Discord application. You could see the server icon, you could see the message icon, you could see the notification and the U icon. You could see my profile, and all I just need to do is edit my profile and my display name to be SMC Dow, and I click on done. Okay, I click on this pencil tool to add an avatar for me. That's a logo for me, and I click on here. I click on the SMC logo, I choose, and I click on save. That's how you edit your profile on your Discord account. And here everything is all set up. You could see my SMC logo, and the notification screen, the message screen, and the server screen. You should know that Discord has a lot of features, from the bot to the integration to file sharing, notification on. You could do screen sharing, server broadcast messaging, chats, custom emojis, and you could have a friends list. You could have message history, secure